Okay, go ahead and raise your hand when you hear it, okay? Only when you hear it. Do you hear it, Frankie?
Raise your hand when you hear it. Go like that when you hear it.
Okay, that's okay. So now I'm gonna do your blood pressure, okay? Do you have a shirt underneath that?
Want to take it off?
Yeah, that's